Alright, this is the twin cam model touring center stand from 2000 to 2016. Guys that don't have these holes drilled in their crossbar for the safety switch, this is the template that we'll be sending with the safety switches. So I'm going to turn it around really quick, and it kind of says how to put it on the bike: right side of motorcycle, front of motorcycle. So the way it is, it's obviously upside down, but that's the right side of the bike, and this is the front of the bike. So you're going to put this on the stand accordingly, and the arrows show you which direction is which. So you'll put that on there just like that. Line these 1/4 inch holes up, and the outside profile is the same size as the crossbar, so you'll just line that up, clamp the template down, and then transfer punch those 3 holes, and then you'll drill it with a 150 thousandths drill. These are countersunk 82 degree countersinks. If you have a countersink, if not, you can put straight bolts in. We send them with the countersunk bolts, but you don't have to use those. That size is 632 if you need to change them. So you can use either or. If you don't have a countersink, you're just going to go through straight through with a drill bit, then use a regular headed bolt screw that's 632. All right, thanks guys. See ya.